Welcome to Teacher Nell's Learning Resources, where the teachers and learners enjoy fun and inspiring short stories. Let's dive in. My Kitten Friend by Odes M. Dago. One warm summer day, a kitten was found, cuddled up tight, not making a sound, with fur as soft as the first light of dawn. In the warmth of the sun, in the light of the day, exploring the stems in the leaves all around, a world full of wonders waiting to be found. The moon rises high, and the stars shall keep. The kitten goes for a walk, not too far to leap. Beneath the vast sky with 10,000 stars to see, the kitten finds its place right where it should be. Under the vast sky with stars shining bright, we thank the Lord above for the day and the night. With gratitude in our hearts, we humbly pray for His guidance and love in every step of our way. In the garden's embrace where blossoms bloom, we learn to care for earth, to heal and to groom. Recycle, reduce, and reuse, we say. For a cleaner world, let's tread the eco-friendly way.